Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone. So, if you want to take a screenshot, so basically a photo of your screen, there is a way to do this by just simply pressing the power button and the volume up buttons at the same time. So just tap them like this, and the screenshot will be taken, and you can go into it and you can edit it. For example, crop, like copy text by holding on the text. So I have this App Store text. If I hold on it, you can copy it, or you can just press this button on the bottom that just highlights all of the text, and you can just select that, or pressing copy all. And then you can also draw, so like markup. So maybe you want to circle something so it's more noticeable. You just kind of select a color, select one of the pens, and then just circle that thing. And there's also another useful feature where if you've drawn something and for example a circle, you want the circle to be even, you can do that by just like making a circle and then holding it until it turns into this perfect circle like this, and then releasing it. So let me just show you again so it's more visible. I'm going to make a big circle, and I'm just gonna hold it until it turns into like a smoother circle. So let me just delete all of this again and show you once more. So I'm gonna make it thicker, and so here I'm drawing a circle and I hold it, and it turns into this perfect, nice, neat circle. So once you've done everything, just press this button on the top right, and select how you want to save it or even delete. So I'm going to select Save to Photos, and now the photo has been saved with all of the actions that we have taken. So there we go. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.